Well, hello and welcome to Guitar Gear Gyan with me, Sahil Jaktiani, where we talk about all things related to the Indian guitar gear scene. Today we've got a new guitar. We're going to unwrap it. It's an unwrapping video. It's not an unboxing, unwrapping, because it's been bought from somebody here in Bangalore. Before we get into that and I tell you what the guitar is, make sure you click that subscribe button and ring that bell to stay up to date with all our latest videos. So what's inside the box? Well, first let's unwrap it and let me show you what's inside. There we go. It's unwrapped. It's a Fender case. Well, this Fender case was not a part of the original, purchase, but the seller was a really nice guy and he had an extra case and he said, I'll give it to you, included with this purchase. I mean, it's an old case, it's been roughed up a bit, but it's still going to store the guitar, so that's pretty good. Here's the guitar. Check it out, baby. Check it out. Oh, it's a nice case, actually. I'm pretty impressed by this case. Ooh, not bad. And look at this guitar. This is a very, very unique. Any dings, scratches, pings, pongs? No, man, that's pretty clean. Yeah, the knobs are a bit, well, I mean, it's not a brand new guitar, so you can't really expect much of that. Looks like a coil split for the bridge position. Your bent steel saddles. Very nice. This is an HSS Telecaster Fender, not Squier. However, this is made in China, crafted in China, but it's a Fender. It's not a Fender, it's a Fender. So I'm very impressed by this. It looks nice, very nice. Same build quality that you would see on an MIM. Yep, definitely. Way better than the Squier junk that you get. You get your, these Fender tuners. Well, there's no labeling, but I'm presuming they are those good quality ones. Yep, the vintage style tuners. You got these disc style string savers, like those as well. HSS configuration, 5-way switch, 3, 4, 5, just to be on the safe side. No push pulls, and you've got a, I think it's a coil split probably for the bridge pickup. Very nice. Stanley John was the seller. He bought it from somebody else. When that person was selling it, I was very intrigued and very interested to buy it, but then he sold it, I think, to somebody else, and they sold it to Stanley John, and then finally I got it and I wanted to review it. Let's see the nut. Nut's cut pretty well, no problem with that. Okay. Let me just check if the action is okay. The action looks good. Bit buzzy on the 6-string. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. All the notes are clean. The only thing is I am a little bit I'm going to tune it up, and I do want to raise the saddle, the lower E saddle, for sure. I'm not happy with that particular saddle. It's a little too low for my liking and it's causing a buzz. So, I mean, this action's pretty damn good. So I'm going to raise the saddle, tune her up and plug her in and see how she sounds. I'm going to check everything, make sure it's all working properly. And hopefully there's no massive hiccups. I'll be back. Okay, so I've tuned her up. I've raised the saddle. These wonderful, scratchy steel bent saddles, which I would change on every single guitar I own. That's my personal preference. Let's check out the neck pickup, see how she sounds. There's hardly any gain on this. It's just basically just to test whether it's working or not. I mean, again, there's still a buzz there. I do still need to raise the saddle a little bit more maybe. But then that does mess up the whole radius, you know, of the saddles as a whole. Just a little bit maybe. Lovely neck. Standard Fender neck. Gotta love that neck, baby. It's got that quack, so that's pretty good. It's driving the amp, so these are pretty good pickups, pretty hot. And these aren't ceramic, these are alnico, so not bad, not bad. All right. See. Okay. Humbucker. Very nice. Single coil, only bridge. Humbucker bridge. Woo! It's quite dark actually. I mean, it's a bit too dark. All the way rolled off. Fully muffled. Yeah, it's just quite dark. In the split position, so I think that's the only weak point I see on this guitar is the non-coil split bridge. I mean, the MRP for this was about 52,000 rupees, so you can't really crib, you know. I will definitely check out what's inside the cavity. I would like to surely clean out all the pots, before the review, set it up nicely. I think it looks amazing. It looks beautiful. Not a fan of the steel bent saddles, okay? But I mean, I got this at a second-hand rate and I'm really happy with it. I was going to do the review and then move it on. I think I'm going to keep it in the collection for a little bit longer. I think it's really great. This case is for another American made Strat that I'm putting together. So this case is going to be used for that. This guitar, I think it's got oodles of potential. I think the only weak point for me would be this from right now. Maybe after I clean everything out and set up the guitar, maybe it'll play differently, maybe it'll sound a bit different. I don't know, we'll check that out. But from what I'm seeing right now, it definitely is the weakest point. But these two sound amazing, sound really good. Hot pickups, definitely. Alnico, very nice sounding pickups. Love the neck, plays phenomenal. This does not play like a Chinese made guitar. This definitely is the higher quality, made in Mexico style necks. It's phenomenal. So from my end, I think just the fact that I'm here with this guitar at the price I paid for it, I think it deserves, from my end right now, a double thumbs up for the current situation. But we'll save the double thumbs up for the review and see how it actually sounds once it's fully set up, once it's fully cleaned out. And I'm really happy with this purchase. So thank you, Stanley. You sent me a beautiful case and you've done a really good deal. And he packed it really well and he put it, in the three-wheeler that was delivering it from his place to my place. So thank you so much, Stanley, for taking the extra care and attention. And it was a pleasure, dealing with you. So thank you once again. This experience overall has been fantastic. So for me, the experience and currently how the deal is, it's definitely a double thumbs up.